Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this brand new stunning Audi A1 35 S-Line Sportback S-Tronic. It comes dressed in the stunning arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as we take a look around, you can see there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. And radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the climate control system, so driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.